partnership. And these friends are Comfort and Ruth. So they decided to go into partnership and business together, but agreed on sharing the profits in the ratio 2:4. Then, at the end of the year, they had an amount of 100,000 Ghana cedis. Now, let's find their amount, or the amount each person will have at the end of the financial year. So this question I just gave, we have Comfort and Ruth, and in the ratio of 2:4. So before you solve a question on the ratio, identify the ratio given, then you find the total ratio. Then you also identify the total amount at the end of the business transaction. So let's see this. So we have total ratio to be 6. That is 2 plus the 4. Then, for you to get the amount each person will receive, you pick each person's ratio, then you divide it by the total ratio and multiply it by the total amount. Let's see it. So let's calculate for Comfort's share. That is 2 out of 6 times the total amount. So now let's simplify. 2 goes into itself 1 and goes into 6 3 times. So you are going to get 10,000 out of 3. Let's still simplify this and change to decimal. Okay, so at the end of the business transaction, Comfort will receive this amount. Now let's calculate for Ruth how much she will also receive. Now there's 4 y. Then you find the total ratio and you write the total number down. Then you pick each ratio, divide by the total ratio,